Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, Head Currency Analyst. In this video, we're going to take a look at gold, as there could be some potential to see the price of gold move lower. So I'm actually looking for some gold short opportunities at the moment. Now, the reason why I'm looking for gold short opportunities is because of some seasonal analysis as well as some retail sentiment analysis. Now, if we actually quickly take a look at gold here for the month of November, it is one of the worst performing metals through this month before we typically see quite a bullish period for gold. So usually through December, January and February, we see price rally to the upside. Through November, however, we usually see quite a big dip before that move higher. Now, what's interesting about gold at the moment as well is some sentiment data suggests that a lot of retail traders at the moment are heavily long in the market. Now, usually when retail are heavily long, we see the market move in the opposite direction. So we've got two confluences there to suggest that price could be moving to the downside. We also have the fact that the US dollar is quite strong at the moment. The data out of the US has been quite positive. We have seen the FOMC meeting today where the Federal Reserve announced their tapering program like it was expected to. The market seems to be acting like it was priced in at the moment, but we could still see strong NFP numbers, which could also drag on the price of gold. So interestingly enough, I think we're going to see some downside. So what I've looked at in the market is where could we see price move to. Now, if we look at this weekly time frame, the natural sort of position for the price of gold to come back down to is around about this 1747 area, because this is obviously a strong area on gold because price has been bouncing from this area multiple times. So we're either going to see price trade back to it or break through it before seeing that move back to the upside there. Now, what's interesting to me here is that if we just go down into the daily time frame, price has broken through this sort of trend line support. Looks like we're moving to the downside. If we go to the 4 hour, then look what's happening to the price. Price is now in a downward trend. We are making lower lows and lower highs in the market. So what we really should be looking for is some lower highs again. Is the market going to continue, and are we going to get a short opportunity? Now, I like a couple of different levels on gold for some shorts. If I just zoom right in, one of my first levels is this zone right through here. Now, this is a nice little sort of supply zone. We obviously saw the market hold here before the news catalyst came in and drove prices lower. So what we could anticipate is for price to come back up into this zone, form some bearish price action and continue to fall. Alternatively, we want to look at the recent breakout lows, which is basically back up sort of in and around this 1790 area where we had this double top pattern. If price gets back into either of these levels and starts forming bearish price action, we could see some downside from gold. So keep an eye on gold, could have some short opportunities. Now, before I end the video, I just wanted to say that we released a video last week talking about a key simple trading strategy on gold. Now, if we actually show you an example, we talked about looking at low ranging candlesticks on gold because they often lead to impulsive phases. So in the video, we talked about these moves through here, where what we saw was low ranging candlesticks and impulsive moves after the fact. Well, look what we had yesterday. Low ranging candlestick. Today we've had an impulsive move. So it just goes to show that when we talked about that trading strategy, if you had looked for a trade after the fact, then we had one yesterday, and you obviously would have been very happy with the result if you did trade that strategy down. So yeah, just wanted to highlight that. I like the fact that we're getting some gold downside at the minute. I think we could see some further downside in the short term. So look for those short opportunities. Thanks for watching this video update. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave it a like, subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more of our Forex content, and I'll catch you in the next video.